Maharaja Jai Singh of Alwar, Rajasthan, had a fascinating encounter with Rolls-Royce in the early 20th century. While walking around the Mayfair area in London in 1920, the Maharaja, dressed in regular clothing, visited a Rolls-Royce showroom. The British salesman mistook him for an ordinary person and dismissed him rudely. Feeling humiliated, Maharaja Jai Singh returned to his hotel room and instructed his staff to inform the showroom that the King of Alwar intended to purchase some cars. Soon after, the showroom staff were ready to welcome him with a red carpet. When the Maharaja returned in his royal attire, he decided to buy all 6 Rolls-Royce cars available in the showroom, paying in full, including the delivery charges. Once the cars were delivered to India, the Maharaja used them as a tool for revenge. He instructed the municipality of Alwar to use the prestigious cars for collecting and transporting garbage around the city. This unconventional use of Rolls-Royce cars quickly spread worldwide, damaging the luxury car manufacturer's reputation and affecting their revenue. Rolls-Royce was taken aback by the Maharaja's actions and sent him a telegram apologizing for their earlier behavior. To mend the situation, they offered him 6 brand new cars free of cost. In response, the Maharaja accepted the apology and the new cars, and he stopped using the Rolls-Royce cars for collecting garbage. This unique tale of revenge not only highlighted the Maharaja's wit, but also demonstrated the importance of respect and humility.